So we have this Toyota Aristo we've just finished off. This is the first Aristo we've done a ZF 8-speed conversion on, using the Domiworks conversion kit, which fits absolutely perfect, comes everything you need to get the gearbox installed in your car. We then use the Turbolamik TCU to control the gearbox, which works really good and very easy to install. So we got a ZF gear lever out of a BMW, I think this one's out of a 530D, F11. So we've got 3 different modes we set up on this car. So you've got the first mode being automatic, mode 2 is automatic sport mode, so it's faster gear changes, and then you've got mode 3, which is manual mode, which is manually shifted either using the gear lever or the flappy paddles on the steering wheel. So this is mode 1, which is automatic. As you can see, it pulls away nice and smooth, nice smooth gear changes. And when you want to go for it, just floor it, auto shift for you. So let's try the auto sport mode. Just move the gear lever to the left to get into mode 2. So this will be faster shifting, a little bit firmer as well. And then we've got mode 3, which is manual mode, so we pull to the left of the gear lever and down. So you can either shift using the gear lever or on the flappy paddles on the steering wheel if it's installed. Do the ZF 8-speed conversions on a lot of Supras. We've done them on IS200s, but we can do them on Nissans. Anything real drive, it's very easy, especially the older stuff where there's no CAN bus involved. The electronics are much simpler. If you'd like a conversion done on your car, just please get in touch.